Take your lime green 260, mine's got perhaps 2 or 3 fingers of tail, and we're going to make a series of loop twists of about 5 fingers. So we're going to make 3 of these. And don't worry too much if they're not absolutely exact, it's not critical. So that's what you've got. And then we want to make a small bubble of about 2 fingers. And then we're going to make 3 loop twists that are about 4 fingers in size. I'm at the end of my balloon, so I'm going to let a bit of air out. I'm going to tie that off and make my 3rd loop twist. Take another lime green 260 with probably a bigger tail than that. So give it a squeeze and then wrap the nozzle end into this section here, the 4 finger loops that you've just made. Make another small bubble of about 2 fingers, give it a twist a few times, and you guessed it, we're going to make some loops that are about 3 fingers in size. You're way ahead of me. I'm going to make 3 of those. And again, I've got too much air in, so I'm going to let some out. Give myself a bit of room to work with. So make another 2 finger bubble and make 3 2 finger loops. These are getting quite small now. They're almost pinch twists. I'm at the end of my balloon again. Okay, so 3 bubbles like that. I'm going to let out the air again. So I've just used a little bit of Mocha Brown 350 and made a bubble of perhaps about 7 fingers. Again, it's not absolutely critical, and if you don't have Mocha Brown, just use whatever you've got. Chocolate brown, dark green, black even, and then just wrap that tail into the base of larger loop twists. Next, take a white 260, give your balloon a squeeze, make a little bubble of 2 to 3 fingers and make some loop twists of about 4 to 5 fingers. This is going to be the snow at the base of our Christmas tree. So if you wanted to have grass at the base, then just use a different colour. And then break this off and tie. And then we just want to convert this little bubble into a pinch twist. So just grab hold of the nozzle, pull that bubble, twist it at the base, and that will pinch twist it. So take the tail at the base of the Christmas tree, just pull that through and wrap around the loops and the pinch twist, and then trim off any excess. So next we just want the tip of a white 260. So just pop that on top of the Christmas tree, pull it through those loops and trim. So there we have our Christmas tree. There are a couple of other little things you can do. You can put glitter on, you can spray with the fake snow, you can use some scraps of white 260 just to add little bits of snow. So just pull those through and wrap around the base like that, so it just looks as though it's got a bit more snow on the tree. So just as a final touch, I've given the tree a spray with some of this snow spray. Just adds a bit of texture and a bit of extra interest for your piece.